Welcome. In this lesson, we are going to explore a fascinating feature of the tangent function in trigonometry, its vertical asymptotes. We will uncover exactly why the tangent function breaks at certain points and becomes undefined. To understand the graph, we must first look at the formula. The tangent of an angle x is defined as the ratio of sine of x divided by cosine of x. This relationship is the key to everything that follows. In mathematics, division by zero is impossible. Looking at our fraction, whenever the bottom part, cosine of x, equals 0, the entire function fails. This is the danger zone where the tangent value cannot exist. Let's look at the unit circle. Cosine corresponds to the x-coordinate. Notice that at 90 degrees, or pi over 2 radians, the coordinate is 0, 1. The x value is 0. This means at 90 degrees, cosine is 0. See what happens as we get closer to 90 degrees. At 45 degrees, tangent is 1. At 80 degrees, it's about 5. At 89.9 degrees, it jumps to over 500. As we get extremely close to 90, the value shoots up towards positive infinity. On a graph, we mark this undefined point with a dashed vertical line. This is called a vertical asymptote. The curve gets infinitely close to this line as it rises, but it is strictly forbidden from ever touching or crossing it. If we approach 90 degrees from the other side, angles slightly larger than 90, we are in the second quadrant. Here, cosine is negative. A positive divided by a negative gives a negative, so the graph plunges down towards negative infinity. This doesn't just happen once. Since the circle goes round and round, cosine becomes 0 at the top, pi over 2, and the bottom, 3 pi over 2. This pattern repeats every half circle or every pi radians. When we zoom out, we see the full picture. The tangent graph is a series of similar curves separated by these vertical barriers. At every odd multiple of pi over 2, we have a vertical asymptote. To recap, tangent is sine over cosine. It breaks whenever cosine is 0. This occurs at pi over 2 and repeats every pi radians, creating vertical asymptotes where the function is undefined.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.